Might be the one time I'm speechless.
Alright, welcome back to Halfass Garage. We got hashtag Drift Life over here. Hashtag Boost Leak over here.
How we doing?
We are going to tear this piece of shit apart. That's for a later date. We're going to go ahead and tear the ruckus apart here. Let's make sure y'all can see this piece of junk. There you go.
That's an understatement. This
Yeah,
thing
right?
is fucking
Catastrophe.
biggest pile of dog shit I've ever seen. The thing is beef.
But we're going to half-ass this thing together because we have a new carburetor, which Brand actually knew. And I bought the right one, believe it or not, the first time. It's kind of funny. Couldn't believe it. And we have a new wiring harness because this catastrophe that's already been partly taken out is actually all the way out. Thank you, Trey. A fucking catastrophe. So we're going to take the motor off so we can basically just do a bench test of this thing and just make it work. And if it runs, we're going to then cut this whole catastrophe off because someone tried to extend the swing arm and decided to weld the whole thing crooked. I mean, like, come on. You literally have these bars to go off of where they end in the same spot. Even if you eyeball the fucking thing, dude, it is like a quarter of an inch off. This thing has to be at like a fucking 30-degree angle or something. Ridiculous. And they probably tried to drive around like that because the tire's bald as dick. So, I need to buy a shock. But you know what? Like I said, let's get this thing. And let's take this thing off real quick and do a bench test. Don't pay attention to this thing. I'll give you an update on that thing soon. Or maybe I gave you one. I don't know how I'm going to edit this and when I'm going to edit it, if I'm going to do the update. Anyway, whenever this comes out, either pay attention to it or don't pay attention to it. I'll let you know in the link below. If there's a link that says, hey, go, a little note right here that says, hey, go look at the Porsche because it does run, it'll be here. If not, it's going to tell all of you to go fuck yourselves. It is bolted in. We were scared that it wasn't, not scared, but we were like, oh fuck, this isn't even bolted in. No, they bolted it in, but only to half of it. They're like, they couldn't turn the, like, can you guys actually see how fucked up this thing is? Like, can we just take a second to just, like,
You're not really doing much of a justice, bud.
yeah, I mean, there you go. There's some justice. Look at the motor. There you go. So that's the crankcase. Either way, catastrophe. Absolute catastrophe.
You can't even go off of that because that thing's fucking.
That thing's tweaked too.
No.
See, by the way,
That thing's fucked up.
what ultimately was this free? Was it? I know you traded for it, but what? Like,
Traded a piece of shit,
$150
Jessica.
at most. I mean,
yeah, we gotta readjust that. Whoa. We gotta open that up and see what's going on with that. But we got a battery charging for it. We do have a starter in it. Let's get this fucking whole motor off because this is silly.
one bolt here, one shock there.
I think I'm gonna undo the shock here.
And then do
Wow, with a friggin', oh my god.
spacer now.
Really? Wow! Wow, that worked. So in theory... Oh! Hey, uppa! Alright, just get this fucking thing out the way.
Yeah, just that. You roll it up, you get one of those jack stands, put it right under the back.
Okay, maybe we need both. Oh, right on the kickstand, bud. Look at that. Mama tried to...
I just used my Xbox so I can watch it on a fucking 55.
Nice. Alright, bub. Where are we going over here?
Just doing a,
Preliminary cleaning?
yeah, just a little cleaning before we really get into it, just so we don't forget about it, you know?
To make her look sweet and spicy.
Yeah, that's what you will.
I did a little cleanup here, as you saw. I'm gonna go ahead and this is the new carb, yin yang bong pong, and I don't have the seal is not there anymore. I don't have an O-ring big enough. So what I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of RTV there, just like it was previously.
Yeah.
So yeah, so we went ahead and cleaned this up. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw some RTV on here because the O-ring isn't here. I don't have one that fits, and that's all I'm gonna do because free. So yeah, we're then gonna go ahead and start to put the wiring harness on and all the other doodads and knickknacks that I need here to make this thing do a bench test. So yeah, we're gonna keep going to work here. Adios. Alright, so we're going to do this in real time here.
It's a plug.
Well, yeah, that's why I was holding the plug there so you can see his spot. What are you, high?
A little bit.
You know, it didn't fucking explode yet. So
Oh!
rectifier pops.
Oh, you have to switch the.
Key is in
He's not in
the
gear,
on
right?
position. I have fucking no idea. Dead Jim! Black wire.
Oh yeah, right here. This is the fucking.
Oh.
So now let's. Oh, that doesn't even go. Oh, this is the fucking plug spot. Okay. Now flip that back to the other one.
This one?
Yeah. This should go right now. Switch.
Okay, hold on. Oh! Jesus Christ! Scared the shit. I had fucking that thing blow at me.
I didn't even see if we were getting spark.
Yep. Right. Plug's going in.
Plug's going in,
Get
Bob.
some fucking fuel. I don't know what it is, man. Little fucking wire loom.
I don't think a master electrician can do that.
Need some wire loom. Button that right up. Hold it wide.
Are you kidding me?
Dude!
Are you fucking for real? Too open.
I'll get no fucking.
Oh,
Jesus Christ! I need
you want to try putting it on, dude?
Bumper.
Dude, let's fucking put it on.
It moved, and then I hit it harder, and it fucking jolted, bro. Are we good? We know it runs. That is junk. Alright, well, we know it works. So, yeah, it's official. Now, I have to find the other battery, charge it, clean the gas tank. Yeah, this is going to be dope. This is going to be fun. I'm driving this thing to work Monday. I'm driving this thing to work on Monday, bub. Oh, yeah.
What a fucking shot.
Not a shot in hell? Fucking watch me. Stay tuned. Wow, that was good. For the next episode of Halfass Garage. And as always...
Watch it fucking rest.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Comment, like, subscribe, and give me my grandfather's knife back before you go. Have a good night.
Time for me to me to act